Okay, so I am going to show you guys how to create a thumbnail. Don't judge my wallpaper. I thought I was on my different phone. I was trying to be funny, but now I'm just very weird. Anyways, I gotta download an app called Pixel Lab in YouTube Studio. No, I don't want that. Stop, I don't want to get weird copyright things. I don't know how that all works. Okay, so flip it like this. You have to click these three dots, go to image size. You have to go to YouTube thumbnail. YouTube recommends that, and you should do it. And you could do one of these, but oh, now I messed up that YouTube thing. So you gotta click this plus and click from gallery. You could click whatever you want. We'll just click on this, because this one's funny and it's a meme, so oops. Okay. And everybody loves memes. So yeah, once you have the size of that down, boom. And then if you want to add a text to your thumbnail, you gotta hit this plus and move this text where you want. And then you gotta click edit. And then you gotta type in whatever you want to type. Let's just type in memes. There, and you could go uppercase only or lowercase only. That's just an option. You don't have to do that. Okay, so now you could click on styles. You don't have to do this part. Click on browse, and as you can see, there are some of the my styles, no text styles found. I recommend this one. It seems like YouTubers use this one a lot. I think this one stands out a lot. So yeah. You can also do weird stuff for your text. I don't really recommend it, but there's like shadow. You also have a whole bunch of these. So inner shadow, basically what inner shadow does. Okay, that one doesn't work apparently. It's like that. I don't think anybody would want that though. So shadow, basically it doesn't do much. I don't really know the difference. So yeah, and you can also do 3D shape if you really want. But again, only do it if you really want. And you could do it like this if you want. This gets pretty laggy. So yeah. Oh wow. So finally done. You want this for your thumbnail. Hit the three dots again. You click export image, and I recommend PNG, and then save to gallery, and then the ad's gonna pop up unless you have a weird thing that you want to pay for that gets rid of ads. So you also want to download YouTube Studio. So click on that. Yeah, only download it to signed into YouTube. So you have to go to videos. And this part gets a little bit confusing. When I was doing it, it was a bit confusing. But this one not only has one view for me. If you want to edit this, you go, oh, wow, an ad, surprising. And now I opened it somehow. Okay, I gotta figure out, okay, X. I don't want to go to Target. It's a really cool store, but I unfortunately don't want to go there. This is why you don't. Yep, now they're doing it. Okay, so you click edit, and you click edit thumbnail. Now, if you hit custom thumbnail, it might it will make you sign in to this app, and then afterwards it will tell you to verify your account on your computer. You have to go to YouTube Studio on your computer, and you gotta verify your account. It will send you a code on your phone, and then you have to type it in. And there's lots of information on that in your app. So basically, you see your thumbnail here, you click on it, and then boom, that's your thumbnail. But personally, I want to keep it like that. So you hit select. There's lots of advanced settings, but this was just about the thumbnail.